Hey guys, it's Emerson here at Four Seasons RV. I am standing outside the Grand Design Transcend 335BHT, and I thought I'd take you guys through a little walkthrough. Alright, so the first thing you see when you walk in is this beautiful kitchen. We have a 3-burner stove. We have a great sized microwave that doubles as an air fryer. Yep. Then we have a 12-volt refrigerator with an ice maker. That's a must. We have great storage down here, and it even comes with the pull-out trash can. Yes, man. You have a great deep sink right here. You have your faucet where it does go around. Plus, your TV is going to be right here. Right when you walk in from the door, you will see your theater seating. You have some storage right here for remotes, chargers, anything like that. Really nice leather cushions. You have a cup holder. They are reclinable, electric reclined. Plus, you have a USB port for charging your phone. Next, we go over to this great storage area. You have a great amount of tabletop here for a little coffee nook, anything like that. Great amount of cabinet room, plus your hidden pet dishes that can also be removed if you don't have any. Moving on, you have your U-shaped dinette that does double as more sleeping space. This table does go down, the cushions go out, and it's enough room. Alright, before we go on to the best feature about this, we have some more storage. 3 cabinets, lots of space in them. Alright, now we're on to the best part, in my opinion, of this entire unit, the bunk room. This has 1 bunk here, a pull-out sofa, 2 bunks over here. This thing can sleep 1, 2, 3, 4 people minimum. Now, if you have littles, grandchildren, anything like that, oh, you could put so many more. Alright, now on this side of the room, you have some more cubby space. You have this to put shoes, blankets, pillows, anything like that. Plus, you have 4 drawers right here for more storage. Like I said, this bunk room has to go down in history as one of the best bunk rooms in a travel trailer. Alright, taking a quick pit stop into the bathroom. You have your toilet right here. You have your vanity right here. You have your opening medicine cabinet. More cubbies right here. More cubbies down here under the sink storage. Plus some deep storage over here for your towels. A hook right here that I'll show you, plus the shower that I will also show you. Alright, walking in, here's the cabinets I was talking about. Here are your deep cabinets where you can fit multiple towels, plus your hook. You have your toilet back in the corner, plus your nice big shower, lots of arm room. Last stop in this unit is going to be your master bedroom. You have a queen size bed here. We have over the top storage right there. You have a great size closet. This thing is huge. You have a clothing rod that goes all the way across to hang up your clothes, plus more storage deep in here. Plus it comes with a card table that you can set out when you're camping during the summer, or if you need more space out in the living room because you have plenty. And then we'll hop over here. Alrighty, last thing, here is your dresser. You have lots of drawers, great amount of storage in here, great amount for your clothes. Plus, you won't even need to use a lot of this because of how big your closet is, let's be honest. Alright guys, that is it for this walkthrough. Like I said, this unit is one of a kind. I have not seen one like this with the bunk room in the back. This thing is awesome and you definitely need to check it out. You have to come see this unit.